Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 18, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 18, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, October 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 18, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 21 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 283.5 million pesos for Friday, October 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 18, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.